Hi, hope you're doing well. In a previous video, I showed you how to delete rows that were hidden. So I've decided in this one, I'm going to show you how to unhide rows that are hidden with a VBA code that we can do to turn it into a macro. Okay, let's go into the Visual Basic editor here and add a new module. Actually, let's do one that unhides both rows and columns. I think that'll be more useful. Okay, so we can do this with a couple of pretty simple, straightforward lines. The first one can relate to the columns. And we'll do a second one for the rows. Okay, so that's it. It's just saying if an entire column is hidden, that's false, so unhide it. Entire row is hidden, that's false, so unhide it. Now let's go and put it into action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some yellow highlighting on a couple of rows and a couple of columns. And now I'm going to hide the rows and columns with the yellow highlighting. Okay, and now if the macro works correctly, it'll unhide all of those hidden rows and columns. Okay, there you go. It's a pretty easy one. So there's a number of applications for this that I'm sure you can think of. Now you know how to write the code in and save the macro for it so that you can use that whenever it suits you. Hope it's been useful. Thanks for watching.